Bhavin, if Infosys today crosses 2700, would you advise your clients to stay invested, or it's time now to book out and cash out?
But I think the answer to that obviously depends a fair bit on currency, because we have seen annual depreciation in rupee for last 2 years plus now, and if that continues, then the upside on Infosys can be significantly higher. Our advice will be to stay invested, because this is now again NRN's Infosys, which can if this quarter is any indication of some sort of resumption of a better growth rate. Remember that dollar growth rate for this quarter is now in 13-14% range on a year-on-year basis. So that is getting back to the industry growth rate. So I think one would actually start to think about the potential for this company to get back to industry growth rates, and on that basis, I would suggest staying invested.
Bhavin, that's the other thing that one wonders, right? When you interact with your clients as well as other investors for Infosys, does it give you the sense that NRN's comeback definitely has instilled confidence amongst the investor fraternity on whether or not it takes time, but Infy will return to its glory days once again?
I've seen two sets of responses. There is one set who believes that NRN's return will give the company time, from the market to sort of get back to its normal performance, and as a result, the downside on the stock will be fairly limited. Obviously the initial reaction of the announcement was very mixed. I think, but I think over time, my sense is that the clients, investors want an option other than TCS in the IT sector, and I think so there is the propensity to view Infosys slightly more favorably if there is any resemblance of stable numbers. So I think on the whole, I think the perception for Infosys is going to be that investors will the company give some time to now deliver numbers, and I think the negative reactions probably are not going to be there.
Bhavin, for Infosys, do you think now, more than earning expansion, there could be a case of P-expansion for the stock? Because I guess somewhere markets have realized that the storm for Infosys has come and gone. And if that be the story, then obviously Infosys is trading at a deep discount, and that deep discount is likely to fade away.
Yeah, so I think obviously compared to TCS, it is at a deep discount, and I think that discount could actually narrow for sure. As I said, this is NRN's Infosys, which is very different from what Infosys was for last several years. So NRN's Infosys will probably get a much lower discount compared to TCS compared to what it got in the last few years.
Bhavin, really appreciate you taking the time out and joining us this morning. Good to have you on the show as always.